I am excited. You know, people always say that on YouTube. I'm excited, but I am. This is my first Waymo ride. So here we go. Here comes my Jaguar. That's my Waymo right there. I'm going over to the Subaru dealer. And yeah, that's the Waymo. Driverless. It might see me. I think it sees me. Nope, doesn't see me. But I'm gonna go and get in. This is kind of cool. I guess I hit this. So I'm in the Waymo. I had to give it a thing on the app to say unlock the door. And then now I just do this. And start ride. And then
hello from Waymo.
My
As we get going, just give us 1 minute to cover a few riding tips.
invisible driver.
This experience may feel futuristic, but the need to buckle up is the same as always. So keep your seatbelt fastened, please. If you're traveling with little ones or expecting, please see the seatback card for more information.
Yeah,
We'll
so
be driving, so please don't
they're giving me
touch the
some rules
steering
for
wheel
the
or pedals
road.
during your ride. We may use interior cameras, check on riders, improve our product, and more. But our microphones are only on when you're connected to rider support. So sing your heart out. We can't hear you.
So supposedly I can sing and they
Also
can't hear
use
me.
the app or passenger
But
support
here we go.
to speak to a rider support agent at any time. In the rare case of
How about that?
emergency, these
My
people
first time in a driverless car.
remain
I wanted to do this with Jackie, but
unless there's an urgency.
I don't know, we didn't get around to it.
Rider support will connect with you and provide assistance.
That's where we're going. Right up that green line. In Scottsdale, Arizona, by the way. We're in the air park area. It's got my little arrival time right there. 6 minutes. Looked at the cost of the rides and I went on Uber and it was $10 for Uber X. And then a buddy of mine said, well, why don't you take the Waymo? Have you ever done the Waymo? I said, I've never done the Waymo. I want to do the Waymo. So I did the Waymo. And so this is around a little over $13. So it is a little bit more expensive for the same exact drive. But for the experience, I'm willing to spend like $3. Yeah, we're rolling along. We're at 4 minutes now. And my driver is still not here. I'm kidding. This is a driverless car. I'm in a Waymo. It's a Jaguar I-Pace. It's an electric car. And you see them all over Scottsdale. That's the McDowell Mountains, by the way. Now, we've got to stop and hang a right up here, or slow down at least, and take a right here. Let's see how this driverless car does. Now, there's no doubt that this, whatever software that runs this, has done this drive and this right turn many, many times. But let's see how, there's a pedestrian there that's just coming across. And yeah, we're Johnny on the spot. Stays a little bit farther left than the rest of the drivers. And then there's the right turn. And then down Frank Lloyd Wright. Pretty good acceleration. Doing 45. Right spot on, that's the speed limit. So we're pulling up right now. I have to pull on the door handle twice. One to unlock it and another time to open it. And but yeah, here we are at the Subaru dealership. Pulling in. I gotta say, that was very enjoyable and very easy. I liked it. Look, everybody's staring at the Waymo. And that's it. That was my Waymo ride. So I don't know what that Waymo's gonna do now, but probably drive away at some point. So very cool. Waymo, my first Waymo.